Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about Amazon Elastic Container Service. So let's go and start. So initially to redirect to this particular dashboard, select the services. And since we are dealing with the containers, select the containers option. So here you can see there is Elastic Container Service, highly secure, reliable, and scalable way to run containers. So click that. So coming to the definition, Amazon ECS simplifies the process of deploying and managing containerized applications, providing a scalable and flexible platform for running Docker containers in AWS cloud. So that is the definition according to the docs. And in this video, we'll be creating the cluster. So let's go ahead and create the cluster and let's give it as a multi-cluster. And so coming to the infrastructure, we have AWS Fargate, EC2 instance, and external instances using ECS Anywhere. So coming to the first one, the Fargate is a serverless pay-as-you-go compute engine that eliminates the need to manage servers, handle capacity planning, or isolate containers to workloads for security. So if you want this serverless service, you can use this one, or else you can use EC2 instance. So you can choose this whenever you choose EC2 instance, you can choose the instance type and number of instances and manage the capacity accordingly, right? And here you have two different provisioning models, on-demand and spot instances. So coming to the main difference between spot instances and on-demand instances is the pricing and flexibility. So on-demand instances are charged at a fixed rate per hour and provide consistent availability, making them suitable for predictable and continuous workloads. On the other hand, if we talk about spot instances, offer significant cost saving, but can be terminated within a short notice, as they are bid-based and subject to variable pricing based on the spare capacity in the cloud provider's infrastructure. So spot instances are ideal for workloads with flexible and non-sensitive computing requirements. So based on your requirements, you can select appropriate provisioning model. So you can just right now just click on demand and select the appropriate operating system and appropriate EC2 instance and desired capacity, the minimum and maximum capacity. So based on your requirement, you can manage them. And coming to the other one, we have external instances using ECS Anywhere. So ECS Anywhere provides support for registering an external instance, such as on-premises servers or virtual machines to your Amazon ECS cluster. So if you require that, like if you're connecting your on-premises and so on, like you can use that one. But in this case, I'll just leave it as Fargate for now. And we can create this cluster. So basically, we are creating this cluster in ECS, which provides a logical grouping for your container instance. So that is why we are creating this. And coming to the monitoring, you can use this container insights. So basically your CloudWatch will automatically collect this information. So, but since it's an optional, I'll just leave it as default for now. And you can add tags if you want, but in this case, I'll just leave it as default. So once it is done, we'll be talking about the next stage where we'll be defining the task definitions. So let's create this one for now. So it's in the process. So once this is done, we'll be talking about task definitions in the next video. So coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video, which is creating the clusters. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.